But think of it this way. A hypothesis that starts off the scientific method is really just a form of a question. If you can come up with questions, you can come up with a hypothesis, right? So I would sit with your data and say, what are some of the questions that I can ask of this data? And if you can do that, then you'll be on your way to starting a hypothesis. And if you can start a hypothesis, you'll be on your way to starting the scientific method, right? So that's as far as I'm willing to give you an answer here. Because again, I don't want to spoon feed answers to you. I want to encourage you to kind of develop these skills on your own. But I hope that helps. It sounds like a wonderful data set. I could think of a million projects I could do with that data set. But don't miss this opportunity to be creative, okay? Okay. Neeraj says, thank you, Dennis, for the advice. Thank you, Matthias Bull. Well, thank you for being here, and I'm glad to see that the community is helping each other, right? That's beautiful. I love it. Deathlock29. Deathlock, you didn't tell us where you're from. Let us know where you're from. Sir, I have developed skills in Python, SQL, and Power BI. Is there other tools to get updated in data analytics?